Imagine making money on YouTube without ever showing your face. No camera, no expensive gear, just a simple idea, a few free tools, and consistency. In this video, you will see exactly how creators build faceless YouTube channels and turn simple shorts into real income. Faceless YouTube channels are exploding right now. Thousands of creators are posting simple videos made with AI tools and editing apps. Many of them earn money through the YouTube Partner Program, even without recording themselves. Today, I will show you a simple workflow that anyone can follow, from idea generation to creating visuals to uploading a finished short. The first step will be to generate viral video ideas. Open ChatGPT and ask it to generate viral video ideas for YouTube shorts in your niche. For example, create 20 viral YouTube shorts ideas. You now have a list of potential viral content ideas. Pick the one that sounds the most interesting. The second important step will be to create visuals that will captivate viewers. Now go to Leonardo AI. Type a prompt describing the scene you want. For example, cute playful dogs running through a park, golden sunset lighting, cinematic style, ultra detailed. Leonardo will generate an image you can use in your video. If you want a premium option with even higher quality, you can also use Mid-Journey. Download the generated image once you are happy with it. The next step will be to create the voiceover. Therefore, we must return to the ChatGPT. Ask it to write a short narration script for your video idea. Something simple, around 20 to 40 seconds long, works perfectly for shorts. Example request: write a short YouTube Shorts narration about dogs in an engaging way. Copy the narration once it is ready. The fourth step is to create the voice itself. To do this, you need to go to the Speechmo website. Paste the narration text and generate the voice audio with one click. Download the audio file. If you want a more realistic premium voice, you can use 11 Labs instead. Then we need to take a very simple but interesting next step. Convert the image into a video. I will use VEO3, but you can use any image-to-video service such as Kling AI, WAN, Runway, and so on. Upload your generated image and use the image-to-video feature. VEO3 will animate the image and turn it into a short video clip. Download the video once it is finished. The sixth step is editing the short video. For this, we need the free app called CapCut or its equivalent. Create a new project and select resolution 9:16 for shorts. Import the video generated from VEO3 and add the audio file you created. Adjust the timing so the visuals match the narration. Also, don't forget to add captions to make the video more engaging even without sound. And it is almost done. Click export and your YouTube short is ready. The next step will be to upload our finished video to your YouTube channel. If you do not have a channel yet, then create one. It only takes a few minutes. Add a catchy title, a simple description, and relevant tags. Then simply publish the video on your channel. So how do creators really make money without showing their faces or standing in front of a camera? I will answer that question now. Now let's talk about monetization. To earn money through the YouTube Partner Program, your channel must reach one of these requirements: 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid public watch hours within the last 12 months, or 10 million valid public shorts views within 90 days. Since we are creating shorts, the goal is to reach 10 million views. Once your channel qualifies, you can apply to the YouTube Partner Program and start earning from ads. The most important rule is consistency. Upload regularly, test different ideas, and improve with every video. Some videos might get a few hundred views, others can reach millions. But if you keep posting, your chances of success increase with every upload. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to the channel for more content about growing on YouTube and building faceless channels. And let me know in the comments if you plan to start one.